Breaking news: serious panic as Hausa Yoruba youths clash at Fagba, Lagos. One of the residents said there are casualties, but that could not be immediately ascertained by reporters. In what will come across as a really heartbreaking development, fighting has erupted in Lagos community. According to the news, residents have expressed panic over a renewed clash between Hausa and Yoruba youth at Fagba, Iju-Ishaga area of Lagos State. The news gathered that many people are injured in the clash. One of the residents said there are casualties, but that could not be immediately ascertained by our correspondent. There are also reports that buildings were damaged during the ongoing fight against EndSARS protests and against the police brutality. Another resident now told our correspondent that we have not been able to leave our homes. They started the fight on Tuesday and the fight is still continuing. We thought it was over yesterday until they renewed the fight again today. I don't know the cause of the fight, but I saw people running helter-skelter some minutes ago. Effort to reach the Lagos State Police Public Relations Officer Muyiwa Adejobi proved abortive as of the time of filing the report. You're listening to Independent TV 7. You can kindly click on the subscribe button. Thanks for listening.